Thank you, Kaloy. Thank you. Sa pamilya po ni General Jaime Echeverria, Mrs. Marlene Echeverria, ang kanyang mga anak, 4 na mga anak, mga in-laws, mga apo. Itong gabi ito ay gabi ng parangal ng komunidad sa Barangay Don Bosco at sa Parañaque ni General Jaime Echeverria. And I would like to tell you that he belongs to many communities, not just the Parañaque community. We have the Barangay Captain, the Barangay Council of Barangay Don Bosco, led by Barangay Captain Jun Berata. We have the Federation of Homeowners Associations of Barangay Don Bosco, led by Fellow General Villamer Artajo. We also have the Knights of Columbus here. In fact, this is a Knights of Columbus night also, headed by Grand Knight Renato Torres, Father Eric of the Quezay Parish, nagkagawa po. Ako'y nagpapasalamat at bagamat hindi ko inaasahan, ako'y natawag para magbigay ng salita. I would have regretted so much if I wasn't given the opportunity to say my last words of farewell to a great man, General Jaime Echeverria. I think those who spoke earlier and those who are going to speak, particularly Knights of Columbus, are probably more qualified to talk about General Echeverria as a member of the Barangay Don Bosco family and the Parañaque family, because they work with him more closely, almost on a daily basis. Mas marami silang pwedeng sabihin to pay tribute to our departed brother. But in my case, I can share so many things also about General Echeverria as a comrade in arms. Military man si General Echeverria. Ako po ay galing din sa pamilyang militar. Ang kapatid ko, mga graduate ng Philippine Military Academy, pareho sila, tulad rin ni General Echeverria. Ako dumaan din ng Philippine Military Academy. He graduated as a member of class of 1957. Probably one of the most popular classes ever produced by the Philippine Military Academy. It is a class that produced so many cabinet secretaries. In fact, as far as I know, 2 executive secretaries, chiefs of staff, admirals, generals, commanding generals of major services, including even the Philippine Navy, several other outstanding graduates. And it's in a group like that, it's very hard to stand out. But General Echeverria stood out. That shows you the quality of the man. Mahirap pag-compete sa mga kilalang graduates ng Class 57, pero nakapag-compete siya. I asked some of his upperclassmen, Class 56, Class 55, sabi ko, would you remember what kind of a cadet in PMA General Echeverria was? Alam niyo si General Echeverria, pag ikaw kadete, plebo, alam ni General Varias ito, pag ikaw plebo, medyo matangkad, malaki, tapos medyo business rin, you attract a lot of attention from upperclassmen. They're going to test your mettle. Sa PMA, mas maigi na medyo maliit ka kasi medyo patatawarin ka ng konti. Pero pag medyo matangkad ka, and I know what I'm talking about because I went through that when I was at the Philippine Military Academy. They try your mettle, especially the smaller upperclassmen, will really try how tough you are. And I asked them, how was General Echeverria? And they all said, tough as nails. Matigas. Talagang napakahusay ng attitude. And then I asked also his underclassmen, yung mga nasa baba niya, yung mga dumaan sa kanyang pagiging upperclassmen. How was he as an upperclassman? I asked in class 56, 58, 59, some of them are still around. Sabi nila, tough. Siyempre, and very intimidating. Sabi nga nila kanina, matingnan ka lang ni Gerald Chavarria with his glowing eyes that's gonna scare the living daylights out of you if you are a plebe. And Gerald Chavarria has that stature, the physical qualities of someone whose mere presence can command and scare people. Pero sabi nila, tough, but very firm and very fair. And that is the service reputation of General Chavarria. And probably no wonder when General Chavarria, a native of Albay, this was a story recounted to me just the other day, went to Cagayan de Oro. It was no one of his first assignments in Mindanao. It was no surprise that I guess the general was able to sweep off the feet of the beautiful Marlene. Mahusay mamili si General Chavarria. I'm not surprised, I'm very competitive. His reputation in the military is a warrior general, parang si Patton. All of you who saw the movie Patton can liken the physical stature of General Chavarria to Patton. And that is his service reputation. When he retired, a lot of people thought that he would retire very quietly. Dahil siyempre, iba na yung environment. It's not anymore a warrior environment. He was not able dealing with the military people. And a lot of people thought that he would just retire quietly. But a lot of people were surprised. And I myself am surprised at the kind of activities that he went through. Knights of Columbus, of course, a community leader, civic leader. Kaninang mention, yung naging presidensya siya ng AGPO, Association of Generals and Flag Officers. It is no joke to be selected and elected as president of AGPO, kasi ang AGPO is comprised of generals, retired generals, some active generals, big ego, mga bilib sa